In a moment of glorious rebellion, take the 4.5 ounces of graham crackers and assertively crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or unleash your pent-up frustrations and use a rolling pin to crush them into submission. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter and embrace its liquid glory. Pour the melted butter over the crushed graham crackers and mix them together until the crumbs become well-coated and rebelliously stick together. In a bowl, mix together 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 can of condensed milk. Blend them like a harmonious duet until they reach a smooth and creamy texture. Feel free to channel your inner artist and imagine them creating a masterpiece of decadence. Now let's create a homemade salted caramel that will make taste buds sing. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. Cook them over medium heat, stirring occasionally until they transform into a golden caramel symphony. Add 1 2-to-1 teaspoon of sea salt to the warm caramel, giving it a cheeky twist. Feel free to adjust the saltiness to your preference, but remember, we want just the right balance of sweet and salty. Let the caramel cool for a few minutes before moving on. While the caramel is busy harmonizing, whip up some homemade whipped cream. In a separate bowl, pour 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Beat them together until you reach soft peaks, like fluffy clouds on a sunny day. Gently layer the creamy cream cheese and condensed milk mixture with the graham cracker crust. Allow the flavors to intermingle, creating a love affair that will make your taste buds swoon. Keep caramel aside for a mesmerizing topping. Smooth the top with a spatula, ensuring an even and picturesque surface. Let it rest and chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or overnight if you can't contain your excitement. Just before serving, take the chilled cheesecake out of the refrigerator. Top with the fluffy vanilla whipped cream and drizzle the remaining salted caramel over the top, creating enticing swirls of delight. Feel free to sprinkle a pinch of sea salt for that extra touch of sophistication.